All right, welcome back. It's D. Another review for you guys. Today I got a 2025 HRV EXL in modern steel. Check it out. Give you guys a walk around. I do apologize if it's dirty. It's kind of raining off and on, so please bear with me with that. So check this one out. I've been waiting to get my hands on the EXL. All I got is LXs. This is one of the ones they just got in today, fresh off the truck. So like one of my favorite colors, modern steel. This thing looks pretty good, man. Wait till you guys see the inside. But starting with the front end, man. Like I said in my previous reviews, the LX looks pretty good, but you know, once you step up to like higher trims with the HRV, you get, you know, better material. So right now you got the gloss black down here, and you do get front parking sensors. Every trim have LED headlights, LED DRL tail light. I mean, turn signal. Sorry about that. So you get the front parking sensors right there with the gloss black grille, gloss black down there. So make it look very, I guess, premium, I would say. Rims looks pretty good as well. This is a 17-inch rim. It's a 215/60 R17. It's pretty good. It's on some Hankook Kenner GT. Pretty nice, soft ride, comfortable ride. So you do get integrated turn signal right there with the painted mirror cap and the sunroof, which is pretty nice. You get that gloss black running right there and down the vehicle. You know, in the LX you get that's plastic, so you know, you get, like I said, pretty nice, more nicer materials. You see down there, get some gray, the black. The exhaust is kind of tucked away underneath. Rear parking sensors right there. Nice premium tail lights. Just love how Honda does everything, just simple. Still no, they don't really offer power lift gate for the HRV. And this EXL does. It's a button, but like I said, it's not power. So here's the cargo space. As you can see, boom, bada bing, got a jack. And you got your spare tire right there. It's kind of crazy, like some of these cars don't even come with spare tires nowadays, but don't know. So you can fold the seats down by just doing that on either side, 60/40 split. You do get a cigarette style charger back here with a nice LED, 2 LEDs. And like I said, there's no power, so you just pull it down onto the interior, fold these seats up. So this is, like I said, the EXL, so you get the nicer leather seats over the LX and the Sport. Nice premium leather. Door panel looks pretty good with a nice leather. I don't know what's this design that they use. You kind of saw it in the back, but it looks pretty nice. Nice touch, you know. Instead of making the material like that, it just made it into the door. It's like wavy. But you still don't get any power right here, which sucks, but or no rear climate. But like for the price, I guess it's okay. And the competition, I guess. Not really gonna talk about it too much. But you do get blind spot, keyless entry as always. Tap that to lock. Grab door handles to unlock. Same materials. Pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think about these seats. Hope the wind isn't too bad. Like I said, it's been raining real bad off and on. You don't get no power seats. So manual backrest and manual bottom. I guess I'm not too bad, I guess. You do get a USB-C right there. Nice storage right there. Show you guys the key. And then you do get lock, unlock, remote start, and just unlocks the tailgate. And the panic button. And that mesh grill that everyone likes. Honda's doing on every trim, seems like. The sun's coming out so you guys can see that modern steel. It's pretty good, man. I had a Sport in the same color. 18's Accord Sport. I mean 19, sorry. There it is. 1.5, 2-liter engine with 158 horsepower. It's not the fastest, but it's better than the previous one. You guys can pause that if you like. $32,000, 27 combined, 25 city, 30 highway. It's not bad, but there she is. Wish they kind of did something with this, but like I said, all my reviews kind of give you everything you need and everything you don't need. So, nice that this is soft leather and a little bit of gloss black up there. Do get auto windows front. Pretty nice. Of course, you get power seats on the driver, but no lumbar. That's fine, I guess. Sorry, I kind of got real bad allergies right now. So you do get traction control right here with a couple dummy switches, little blanks, and a little, what you could say, coins or something right there. But turn it down. Nice leather steering wheel, some gloss black. It's pretty nice, nice leather. Got your nice screen up here, like half digital, half normal. I think this is in my Accord, so if you're familiar with that, you'd be familiar with this. But it's pretty nice that they added this to the higher trims in the HRV lineup. Hold on, let me see. Trying to go back to the top. Right now, see this little dial right here controls that portion of the screen with a little home. Basically your back button. So if I press seat belts, takes me home. So you see pretty much nice things. Navigation, basically a compass. Your phone, audio, your range, and your fuel. All right there. Got your light controls, wiper controls. Pretty much it, man. This thing is pretty nice. Got your volume, your track, your voice control, your Honda sensing. The car basically can steer itself. And then you just set your desired distance. Oh, I got the regular cruise control on. Turn that off. There you go. Now you can see it right there. Basically hold to operate. There you go. So now if I, test drive it, basically will just steer itself. You got to keep tapping the steering wheel every now and then, but at least it has it, So now you got the big 9-inch. I'm not gonna say big, but it's big for the HRV. 9-inch for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And I'll take you home. Show you guys the backup camera. Pretty nice resolution. Got your different angles you can see. You do get rear cross path detection. You see your parking sensors front and rear. Or if you want to just leave it to big reverse, you can. But it's pretty straightforward, really not much to really talk about with these. Like I said, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So you got the Sirius XM radio. So coming down right here to the climate, you do get heated seats on driver and passenger. You do a climate zone, which is pretty nice. You do get a wireless charging pad right here with a USB, cup holders, nice leather right here. Another USB-C on both sides. It's pretty nice. Kind of like this, I don't know what they kind of call it, but it's pretty nice. Got your drive, your sport and your low range. Got your drive modes. Got normal, econ, and snow. Got your hill descent, electronic parking brake, and your brake hold. Like I said, you do get the nice sunroof that comes with the EXL. Just pull that, and voila. Push it forward. That's pretty much it, man. I think it's pretty nice. Show you guys the interior one more time. Kind of let me know what you guys think about the EXL. Or would you still take the LX for the price? Is it worth stepping up to a higher trim on HRVs? Show you guys this 2-liter. Man, just I keep saying this hood is like heavy. You see all the space you got in there. Yeah, there she is. It's kind of crazy though how little these engines are with Honda. I think someone told me that Honda is like the #1 in 4-cylinder engines a while ago. All right, driving the HRV EXL. So I kind of been talking about these, how the engine performs and all that, and you know how I wish it had more power and all, but more I drive these, the more I just understand why Honda gave us the amount of power that it did. Honestly, it's not that bad. 158 horsepower. No, I wish it was kind of like 200, like the or about 190 is the 1.5 turbo. Or I wish they would have just gave this vehicle to 1.5 turbo, but it'd probably be too much for this little bitty SUV. But I'm gonna give it a little bit of the beans so you can see. You know, it gets up there though. So it's not the fastest or the slowest, but like I said, I'm just happy that it's better than the last one, you know. I'm just scarred from the last previous HRV. That thing was just horrible slow. Like, just, I thought they was about to discontinue, to be honest. But get a little bit more gas. Yeah, but this thing rides pretty good. Tires, these Hankooks are nice. You don't hear as much road noise. It's comfortable. You know, very smooth. Kind of drive just like the CRV, honestly. Every Honda honestly drives the same to me. Been driving them so long, so haven't really had any complaints. Even the sports drive relatively good, you know, depending on the road conditions. But like a smooth road like this with a little bit of bumps, this EXL drives pretty nice. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about it. Give you guys a last walk around and just look at that front end. Hopefully that monitor's still looking as good as it is on camera. That is in person. Let me know what you guys think about those rims. Looks pretty good. I'll just throw some tint on it, and this bad boy be good to go. Don't know. Someone I think told me or commented on a video once and said I think these cars kind of look like female cars. I don't know. To me, they look just Honda-ish. Yeah, but let me know what you guys think about the HRV 2025 EXL. It's a nice monitor still, man. Let me know what you guys think. This is D. I'll catch you guys for the next one.